Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. So I just finished a little bit of work, y'all, and I finished my breakfast as well not too long ago. Last night was a work night for me, and I'm getting ready to head to the gym. I have actually not gone to the gym, y'all, in some days because that run y'all saw me take in the last vlog, my 5K, 3.1 miles that I did, really took me out. I have actually been sore since then, pretty much all week. So I have done some living room exercises, but that's pretty much it. And when I did those, it was more upper body, just kind of here in my living room with the weights that I have here. So yeah, we're gonna be heading to the gym for the first time pretty much all week. So I feel like I need to do a quick intro for people that are just finding my vlog, just because I took some time off.
I took some time off to rest
with the vlogs, and now we're back. I feel like the things that I'm sharing is a little bit different from before. So for those of you who have been watching my past shorts and things like that, on my short form content, y'all see that I have been sharing way more wellness content. So definitely expect more of that type of content here on my channel. I am based in Atlanta, and yeah, we just share lifestyle, wellness, beauty on this channel, a tad bit of dating, but yeah, that's pretty much what you can expect. This channel started off with a lot of natural hair type content, so of course we're still sprinkling that in, but definitely just have moved more into the lifestyle space. So yeah, I'm excited to be jumping back into the vlogs on a more consistent basis is the plan. So definitely for the rest of this year. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, if you're new, welcome. And so yeah, but the wellness is definitely a new space for me, taking it this serious. I started my wellness journey back in January of this year and have definitely been consistent all year. So yeah, I'm just super excited to continue sharing that type of content with y'all and sharing what is working for me, what isn't working for me. So yeah, I really just need to figure out, y'all, which workout outfit I'm going to wear. And y'all, I literally cannot believe I haven't been to the gym all week, but it's okay. Breaks are definitely not a bad thing. But y'all, my show has come back on and I already started watching one episode. I could not wait. So Beauty in Black, y'all, on Netflix. If you also watch that series, y'all, it's a Tyler Perry series. When I tell you, Tyler put so many twists and turns in this show. Like, everybody be talking about Tyler so bad, but he been giving us good shows, movies, all of that this year. He's been on it. But I think this one started last year, actually. I might need to double check, but I feel like the first one came out last year, towards the end of last year. But either way, y'all, it's a very entertaining show. The newest season just came out, so I'm definitely excited about that. So I started on that, and then y'all, it's just so much going on in the world. That politician man got shot and killed yesterday, which is just so sad. I'm like, oh my god, people are so crazy. Even if you do not agree with people's political views, there's just no reason why somebody should be losing a life over that. So we got to do what we got to do to stay grounded. Definitely have to just continue to take care of our own selves and our mental. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, put on my workout clothes. I think I'm gonna eat a banana super quick just to get something else on my stomach before I actually start the workout. Y'all, let me tell y'all, I had bison. I thought I was buying ground beef. I accidentally bought bison. And now I am a fan of bison because the flavor of it was so good. To me, it was even more flavorful than regular ground beef. It was so good. And it's lower in cholesterol than ground beef, and they say higher in protein. So I'm like, oh yeah, we definitely gonna keep this in the rotation around here. Hey y'all, so we are on another day from the last day y'all saw me. Y'all, I didn't even realize I was on the schedule to work. So I went to the gym on the last day we saw each other. I realized when I was there that I needed to be at work shortly. So I had sort of a different schedule this week, so that literally threw me all the way off. But anyway, I'm just getting home now from work, and I didn't eat a lot before I went in. I just had some yogurt and granola and blueberries, just super light. And then I ate a banana and a granola bar like in the car are on the way. Oh, I just think that wasn't enough food, y'all, because I really started to feel super just low energy towards the end of work. So yeah, so as soon as I got in, I made that salad that y'all just saw and put a little bit of baked chicken on there, which was so good. As always, my chicken be so good, y'all, to me, but I think it's good in general. But anyway, made my chicken, or put my chicken on there. I did a little bit of the olive oil as dressing, feta cheese. Y'all, I swear, onion, red onion, I be calling it purple onion sometimes, but red onion, it makes things so good. Just onion in general is just so good to me. But I know some people don't like onion. So I was actually supposed to like wash my hair and everything on the day that I did not realize I was supposed to be going to work. So yeah, I had to put all those plans off. Now it is a little bit after 6 o'clock, about to be 7. So I'm gonna just do my hair tomorrow. I'm not even worried about it today. We're about to go to the gym, and then I ordered kava, y'all. I don't know if you can't see the bag from here, but I ordered my treats for myself, a kid's meal. I think after I get back from the gym, I'm gonna just watch Beauty in Black. I need to do some editing, so I may try to like edit and watch Beauty in Black. And then yeah, that's gonna be my evening. And tomorrow we're gonna wake up, do our hair. I need to hurry up, y'all, and make it to this gym before I don't feel like going. I mean, I already don't feel like going, but we gotta go. So y'all, I just got on my Nike set, one of my sets that I always wear. It's super comfortable, and I think this one I got at Dick's Sporting Goods. I like going there for discounted Nike stuff, or really just discounted name brand stuff in general, but mainly when I go there I buy like my Nike stuff from there. Hey y'all, so I just finished washing my hair and I colored it as well using a new device that L'Oreal sent over to me, and it's the Color Sonic. I'm not sure if y'all heard of it, but let me grab it so y'all can see it. And it actually did make my coloring experience a lot easier, but the only thing, y'all, I think I requested the wrong color. So this is what the device looks like. You just kind of run it through your roots or whatever like that. So definitely made it a much easier, quicker process. Well, I don't know about quicker because it doesn't really take me longer to color my hair in the first place, but I guess it did save some time because the device actually mixes the color for you, and you definitely don't have to worry about doing that. So I thought that was cool. Yeah, I feel like it just kind of turned my grays more of a brown color, and I requested the darkest brown color for them because when I buy my other color from Sally's, that is the color that I get. So now I'm thinking maybe I should have said black. I don't know. I may try to reach out to them and see if they can send me a few more cartridges that are darker. But anyway, at least I was able to figure out how to use it once I like read through the instructions. If you do get one of these Color Sonic devices, I would for sure recommend reading the instructions. So that was the first thing I did today. For breakfast, I just had a yogurt bowl with some fruit. So now it's a little after 2 o'clock. I am off today and it is Saturday. So I haven't had coffee today yet. And again, it's almost 3 o'clock. But I've just been pushing through. I cleaned up the bathroom after doing my hair. Yeah, now we're here. But I definitely need to get some editing done today. Y'all, I was watching a little bit more of Tyler Perry last night with this Beauty in Black. Y'all, this is getting crazy. So y'all gotta let me know if y'all are also watching this show. It's just so entertaining to me. Oh, also y'all, I have some bananas that I put because I needed them to ripen a bit quicker. So I already had one of them was kind of ripe, but y'all, this is where I put them. On top of the refrigerator. My sister told me about this trick. So they are pretty much ripe, it's looking like, because y'all know I've been talking about making this banana bread for a minute. I feel like I could make a good banana bread with these now. I just need to decide if I'm gonna do that tonight or tomorrow. Hey y'all, so I'm just getting in from my run for the day, y'all. I am so tired, y'all. When I tell you my heart rate was going up so high, like I am exhausted, but I'm proud of me for finishing. I did the whole 3.1 miles and I was so tired, y'all. So I need to go ahead and stretch now. But what I did was ended up just resting in the car, and then I headed straight to the grocery store because we are making this banana bread right now. I just want to mix everything up real quick, and then I'm gonna get in the shower. I really just want to have my banana bread ready for this week, going into the coming week to eat with breakfast. Oh yeah, y'all know I already had pretty much all the ingredients for it. I was just missing some vanilla extract, which is what I picked up, and then I needed some more Pam, so I picked some of this up as well. Now I'm about to go ahead and melt the butter, and then like I said, I'm gonna get in the shower. But y'all, date night is confirmed. I am headed still on this date, because y'all know we keep it moving around here, okay? We don't stay down for too long. I really didn't have anything to wear because it's supposed to be a nice restaurant that I'm headed to this evening. So that's around 7 o'clock. So I stopped at Target, y'all, and got a pretty cheap dress, but it's still cute. They had it in a cream color, y'all, and I really wanted the cream color. But since I'm losing weight, I tried on the small. It was just too much fabric still. It just wasn't fitting the way I wanted it to fit. So I went ahead and got an extra small because I feel like Target sizes run really big. Let me know if you also think they sizes run big. It's not just me, they sizes run big. So I got an extra small. They didn't have an extra small in the cream. I got an extra small in the black. So of course I'm gonna show y'all what the dress looks like. I feel like it's cute. It'll be appropriate for this restaurant. It's like a Mediterranean restaurant, I believe. She said 1 stick of brown butter. Y'all, I'm following a TikTok recipe. Y'all know me and these TikTok recipes. She said to bake it at 350 for 1 hour. And we're just going to let this melt, and she said let it brown. So y'all, also have some boiled eggs over here. I got 2 because I'm going to make some tuna and eat that for my like post-run meal. And I was a little worried about what flour to use because y'all, I'm not a baker. Like I don't bake stuff like that, not sweets and stuff at all. So I still had this flour from a time a few months ago that I made some homemade pasta. So it's the 00 flour. So I googled it and it did say that it's okay to bake banana bread with 00 flour, just don't over mix it. So y'all, I added a little bit of this baking soda, a teaspoon of salt. I'm just mixing all of this together. So this is what everything is looking like, y'all, so far. It looks really good already. This is the dress that I found. Just a really simple long dress. And yeah, this is pretty much my dinner look, y'all. Also, banana bread is looking really good. I took it out of the oven, of course. This looks so good, y'all. So I'm gonna just let this sit out and cool while I'm gone. We went on a date the other night. It was a really nice restaurant. Definitely a vibe in there. I for sure want to go back with my friends. For sure a vibe. But at this point, y'all, everybody is in the friend zone to me. And they are staying in the friend zone until further notice. So yeah, nice new little friend. So yeah, that really don't even have too much to say about that, but it for sure was a nice ambiance, nice vibe in there. The name of the restaurant was called the Kia. The food was okay. It wasn't like excellent, but I definitely just liked the scenery. So I probably would go back and get like a mocktail or something with friends, maybe some kind of appetizer just to be cute, have a cute little girls night. But also, y'all, I said I wanted to have like a pool day with my friends because I really haven't done much with them, because at this point, a good amount of the people around me are like trying to figure out what's next. So yeah, we didn't do a whole lot this summer. Super fun, but feeling really good outside now. I for sure want to have like a girls pool day. But y'all, last thing, I have determined that the Color Sonic color did not work for my hair because I have gray still showing everywhere. Yeah, I just feel like it didn't work at all. So I'm not sure if their developer isn't strong enough, because for gray hair, I heard that you need to use like a higher developer, and that's what I've been doing. I use 20 when I buy the color that I buy. But at the same time, I still think the color was wrong. But I just feel like the color did not color really anything. Let me look, y'all. Yeah, I just don't feel like it colored much of anything at all. So I tried it. Like I said, I'm gonna definitely reach back out to them and see if they can send me some different cartridges with a darker color and something a little stronger as well to actually cover grays. So yeah, that was my experience with my Color Sonic, but definitely still try it, y'all, if you feel compelled to do so. I am about to end this vlog, and in the next vlog after this, I will be showing the salmon that I make. So excited about that, and just be doing other things. So anyway, thanks y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.